Today we're going to be talking about human clones, specifically whether or not human clones should be legal in the United States and the rest of the world. Human cloning has been a topic of interest for sci-fi lovers since the dawn of the genre. Many movies, books, and other forms of entertainment have depicted clones as either benevolent or outright evil, but up until the mid-90s, cloning was limited to the pages of novels or the big screen. But this all changed with Dolly the sheep, the world's first known clone. Born in 1996, Dolly changed the world. She was living proof that cloning was now a reality.
Dolly prompted scientists to question the possibilities and ethics of a human clone. Now that human cloning is within our reach, what are the possibilities? But first, I suppose we should ask, what is cloning?
Cloning is the process of removing the nucleus from an unfertilized egg and replacing it with the nucleus of a somatic cell. The egg is then stimulated and, hopefully, develops into a fully functioning organism. The new organism is perfectly identical to the person from whom the somatic cell was taken.
There are basically two different uses for human cloning, therapeutic and reproductive. Both have benefits and downsides. However, it's clear that with the proper regulations, right intentions, and responsible policies, human cloning would not only benefit the scientific community, but the world at large. Therefore, human cloning should be legalized. Now, what is therapeutic cloning? Therapeutic cloning could provide the possibility to harvest human tissues, providing possible solutions to diseases such as Parkinson's disease. By stimulating and replacing damaged spinal tissue, regular movement and functioning could be restored to a patient with Parkinson's. This isn't limited to Parkinson's, however. Therapeutic cloning could help cure many diseases. Many contradict this, claiming that therapeutic cloning could lead to an arsenal of clone zombies, used simply for their body parts or cells. However, with the proper legal policy, this scenario could easily be prevented. Reproductive cloning is entirely different from therapeutic cloning. Reproductive cloning could possibly make sexual interaction unnecessary to create human life. An example of reproductive cloning would be cloning a father and implanting the stimulated cell into the mother's womb. Therefore, any genetic defects from the mother's side could be eliminated. It would be possible to create a new generation of cloned humans free from genetic disorder. However, many fear that this will foster racism and possibly the creation of a master race. Also, there are many possible fallibilities to reproductive cloning. For example, say a mother and father are co-parenting a clone of father, but father dies in a tragic accident. Now, mother can't see her cloned child without bursting into tears. But on the bright side, with proper legislation and decent regulations put in place, it's possible to completely avoid these shortcomings. The main argument against cloning derives from ethical issues surrounding the topic. Many claim that cloning could change the world for the worst, asserting that it would be all too simple for cloning to backlash. However, with the numerous benefits of human cloning, the rewards outweigh the risk. It's never a bad idea to be too careful, though. It's up to our government and citizens alike to formulate a cloning policy that keeps cloning within a beneficial sphere.